Straight from the airport, straight into work, straight onto location. Cancelled flight, 2.5 hour drive, up at 3. Life's great. What you got to say, Nick?
Well, I mean, have a look where we are. North Face Exhibition Base Camp 2025. And then you flip around, you can see why the North Face are here. Because it's pretty damn nice. Some mountains over here. Mountains over there. Mountains over there.
Mountains everywhere, mate.
Surrounded by mountains. Oh, nice. Camera.
You're gonna have to crouch down because I can't be bothered to set a tripod up. So, wrapped earlier than we thought, thank. And we're gonna drive to
Stabio.
Nice.
Stabio. Su Stabio.
And yeah, so we're gonna get stuff for us.
Yeah, we're going to now spend some time in Davos because they did say 7 o'clock
And it's
that we were going to be
just
here.
gone 4-ish.
So I'll fucking take that all day.
Catch a
long.
sunset,
Yeah.
a bit of a road trip.
Let's go fly a drone around these mountains somewhere and not be leaving here at 7 o'clock to get to Stabio for midnight, which is a bit better. I can deal with that.
You happy with what we got?
I think so.
Apart from
I'm never happy with what we've got.
No, you're not.
I'm never happy with what we got.
Ham sandwich.
Ham
and
sandwich
pack
and a
up.
packet of crisps in the sunshine with a view. Sandwich with a view. I once thought about doing an Instagram account called Noodle with a View, which is just eating, I shouldn't tell these secrets, but just eating various forms of instant noodles and taking a picture with a view. It's pretty simple really, but I think it would catch on. Right,
Let's go.
yeah. Cows with cowbells, mountains, windy roads. Clarkson will be having a fucking field day.
I am having a field day.
The other one, the one who actually has a farm. We're going to wrap around 7 because obviously we were delayed and then that put everybody back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean it's 6:15 now, just for context, and it's obviously getting dark coming down the mountains. These roads are pretty windy. We left after 7. We certainly wouldn't be doing this, that's for sure.
Well, there isn't a street light.
We'd be talking in the dark, let's be honest. So that's that. We'd be having this conversation.
I don't mind talking to you in the dark.
I mean, you know, you can hold my hand, but that'd just be because I'd be shitting it down these roads.
It is kind of insane how we live in the UK in drizzle and grey for 75% of the year. We have like a month that's like, oh, this is all right, and then a week after that going, wasn't that nice?
I know. You just look at it; it's just a different world out here. Like it does make you think, what the fuck am I doing living in England half the time?
No, it doesn't have the same vibe driving through Birmingham, does it?
No, or any. I mean, it's just fucking postcard picturesque, isn't it? Like,
Yeah.
it really is unbelievable.
My whole network's in the UK, really.
Side of the road do I go on?
Yeah, this side, the right side.
This
Stay on this side, yeah. Don't, yeah.
Just checking.
Just checking, fucking hell.
I generally don't. I am, as you can tell, working this out as I go.
If you're not well connected,
You just got to know, yeah.
you're not gonna have work. Like, that's just be all and end all. I mean, I was introduced to you by like a mutual friend
Yeah.
who just went, oh, you should have a chat with this guy.
And Andy,
Yeah, Andy
no
first.
drama, just said, you should give Scott Clarkson a call. And I thought, I fucking will, actually. And I did. And I took him to France the next week.
You genuinely did.
And I literally went and said,
Do you want to book with me?
Andy said, I need to meet you. Do you want to have a pint? And he came for a pint with me.
Yeah, it was just after I'd shot a music video,
You were
right?
doing the K's, I think, in town. What was it called?
Oh no,
K's,
it was Pink Cactus Cafe.
It was in the Apollo. Like Jeff, I know Jeff.
Yeah, Jeff was directing it. It was Cortinas.
Oh, that was it.
Yeah, at the Royal Albert Hall.
And yes, yeah, because it was like we went into like Albert Schloss for a minute, and then it was like hectic as fuck. And
yeah, you helped me unload.
Was it? Yeah,
broken hand.
I thought, come on then.
And you literally were like...
Well, no one likes standing around being a spare part, do they?
Well, no, but it was like, I was just watching him, he's like, you're doing more work than me at this point. I was like, I like this guy. He's got something about him.
I needed some lighting solutions and went to France on a lovely time, and it pissed down the whole time.
Yeah.
So luckily you were there.
I had a challenge of...
It didn't piss down, but it was all right.
No, it did. It was fucking awful. We got an hour, one day, and you fucked off in the Porsche.
I did, yeah. I had to slow down to 60, have to behave. Speed limits and that.
Yeah, I'd rather not go off the edge.
Yeah, exactly. That's a fall you will not survive.
Although your driving is sending me over the edge a little bit. Need some Dramamine or something like.
Need some what?
Dramamine, like travel sickness tablets. That's fine. Oh.
And down there.